Imagine waking up in your luxury penthouse, overlooking the bustling city skyline with your morning coffee served by your personal butler. Welcome to the pursuit of wealth in 2024, where the landscape of riches has evolved alongside technological advancements and shifting economic paradigms. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the strategies and pathways to true wealth in the modern age. So sit back, envision your dreams of prosperity, and let's delve into the realm of contemporary wealth accumulation. In a world characterized by rapid change and innovation, the pursuit of riches has taken on new dimensions. From leveraging cutting-edge technologies to harnessing the power of global markets, the path to wealth in 2024 is paved with opportunities waiting to be seized. But amidst the noise and clutter of get-rich-quick schemes, fear not, for we are here to unveil the tried and tested strategies for achieving true wealth in the digital age. First on our journey to riches is the realm of investing in technology and innovation. With advancements in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and renewable energy reshaping industries and economies, astute investors have seized upon the opportunity to ride the wave of technological disruption. Take, for instance, Sophia, a savvy investor who recognized the potential of blockchain technology early on. By strategically allocating her resources into promising tech startups and emerging trends, Sophia not only amassed considerable wealth, but also contributed to shaping the future of innovation. Expert tip: to capitalize on the transformative power of technology, diversify your investment portfolio across various sectors and emerging trends. Keep a keen eye on disruptive technologies and be prepared to adapt your investment strategy accordingly. Next, we turn our attention to entrepreneurship in the digital age, a playground for visionaries and trailblazers seeking to carve out their own path to riches. Meet Jack, a serial entrepreneur who capitalized on the burgeoning e-commerce market by launching multiple successful online ventures. From dropshipping to digital marketing agencies. Expert tip: to thrive as an entrepreneur in the digital age, identify unmet needs in the market and leverage technology to create innovative solutions. Cultivate a growth mindset, surround yourself with a supportive network, and be prepared to iterate and adapt your business model as needed. In a world interconnected by global markets and digital networks, the opportunities for wealth creation extend far beyond national borders. Meet Maria, a seasoned investor who recognized the potential of emerging markets in Southeast Asia and Latin America. By diversifying her investment portfolio across geographies and asset classes, Maria not only mitigated risk but also capitalized on lucrative opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. Expert tip: to leverage global investment opportunities, conduct thorough research and due diligence on potential markets and investment vehicles. Consider factors such as geopolitical stability, economic growth prospects, and regulatory environments when making investment decisions. Last but not least, we emphasize the importance of financial literacy and wealth management in the pursuit of riches. Meet Michael, a self-made millionaire who attributes his success to disciplined saving, prudent investing, and strategic wealth management practices. By mastering the principles of budgeting, investing, and asset allocation, Michael not only achieved financial freedom, but also laid the foundation for generational wealth for his family. Expert tip: to achieve true wealth, prioritize financial education and cultivate disciplined habits of saving and investing. Develop a comprehensive wealth management strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance, and seek professional guidance when needed to optimize your wealth building efforts. And there you have it, a roadmap to riches in 2024, curated for the modern-day wealth seeker. Whether through investing in technology and innovation, embracing entrepreneurship in the digital age, capitalizing on global investment opportunities, or mastering financial literacy and wealth management, the path to true wealth is within reach for those willing to seize it. So arm yourself with knowledge, harness the power of technology, and embark on your journey to financial abundance. Remember, the future belongs to those who dare to dream and take action to turn their dreams into reality. If you found value in today's video, be sure to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. It helps us keep bringing you more great content.